Alright, so we've got some Mexican rice we're going to heat up, and I'm rehydrating some Texas chili, so beanless chili right now, so that we can use it to make chili tacos for dinner. Campfire chili tacos. Alright, fire's not going very well right now, so we've switched to the stove, which will be a lot quicker because we'd like to get out fishing, hopefully, as long as the wind holds up. So getting the chili made up here so we can get the tacos put together and get them eaten and head out. Alright, chili's starting to come back good. It's rehydrating really well, so hopefully it won't be too much longer because we'd like to get eating some dinner and hopefully get out and fish if the winds kind of die down and everything holds off. Alright, chili tacos are ready. We got Mexican rice, chili, cheese, hot sauce, and jalapenos. And of course, crack canoe beer.